Hey guys, my name is Jay. I'm a registered nurse and an entrepreneur. So, as of last year, my tax situation was completely different due to a change in my income, and I was paying about eighty to $85,000 a year just in taxes. I found myself scrambling, trying to figure out how I can find somebody to help me pay less money to Uncle Sam and keep more money in my pocket. Yeah, so this had a big negative impact on me from a financial standpoint. It felt like no matter how hard I worked, no matter what career I pursued in my field, as a high W 2 income earner, trying to find another job to compensate for paying so much in taxes, pursuing a side hustle, no matter what I did, it felt like I was just paying more and more in taxes. And I wasn't saving enough money and I wasn't reaping the fruits of my labor. What slowed me down and stopped me initially is that I just believed what everyone would tell me when I would ask them for advice about my tax situation, that I'm just a high W 2 income earner. I have to pay my taxes. I don't have a business. I don't have a side hustle. I'm not 1099. There's nothing I can really do other than forfeit my money to the government and pay my tax just like any other average individual. So I actually hesitated at first because I was spending a lot of money at the time. I wasn't very financially responsible. I was paying a lot in taxes, and I just didn't want to give up more of my money. But I realized if I actually want to save taxes in the end, I have to bring on a person that knows more about taxes than me and can figure out my situation better than I can. My journey with the tax savings team has been life changing. They've taught me so much. I've learned so much across the past year and a half. They've shifted my mindset to an entrepreneurial mindset. They've helped me get out of my comfort zone and they've helped me save a tremendous amount on my taxes. Genuinely, I do not know what I would have done this year and last year without this team. Everything this team has done for me has been outstanding, to say the least. I'm continuing to work as a high W 2 income earner without being afraid of having this massive tax bill at the end of the year. I'm pursuing side hustles, starting businesses. And just like this year, when I had a big fat tax bill that I owed to the IRS, I was able to work with the team, get down my expenses and turn that big tax bill into a refund, which meant more money in my pocket to take care of myself, my family, and put towards my businesses. Just like with anything else in life, you need to learn from a mentor. You need to work with somebody or make a connection with a person who knows something better than you do. This world is created where you can't conquer everything on your own. And from a tax standpoint, I didn't know everything. And there was a lot of things that were nuanced in this field that I thought I knew. But until I hired this team, I realized that there was a lot that I didn't know. And without them, I truly don't think that I would be where I am today.